Hi kids! Do you know the names of the 7 days of the week? Let's sing and learn them together with fun things to do every day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday too, Wednesday, Thursday just for you, Friday, Saturday, what a week, 7 days, so fun and sweet. On Sunday, we spend time with our family. We go to the park, play games and laugh together. On Monday, we help clean the house. Let's tidy our toys and wipe the tables. Teamwork is fun. On Tuesday, it's craft time. Let's paint a picture or make something with paper and glue. Wednesday, we read our favorite books. Story time is the best time. On Thursday, we go outside and explore nature. Look, a beautiful butterfly and oh, what a big tree. On Friday, we help in the kitchen. Let's make cookies or fruit salad with mommy. Yum! On Saturday, we play. Run, jump, dance and laugh. It's the weekend. We learn all the days of the week. Let's say them together. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Great job kids! Now you know all 7 days of the week. If you had fun learning, give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so we can learn and play together again. See you next time. Bye bye.